Walking with it. What? What? My shoes are more comfortable, that's what I try to say. Alright. Happy. So beautiful.
Hi guys, so you know how we normally do our videos. We normally give you a drop of Jesus. So Karen and I will be giving you a drop of Jesus for today. Karen, you want to take it away?
This is from Isaiah 40, verse 28. Have you not known? Have you not heard? The everlasting God, the Lord, creator of the ends of the earth, neither faints nor is weary. His understanding is unsearchable.
Nice. So God is outside of our understanding. So he's never tired. He's never you say Alpha and Omega, he's Alpha and Omega, no? Yeah, beginning and end. So we cannot place our humanly limitations on God. We have to understand that no matter what we do or how many times we go to God for anything, whether it be forgiveness or asking for something, it's okay. Right? He's never tired, he's never weary, he's not going to be tired of coming to him to beg for your forgiveness and for his mercy. Alright guys? So if you're going through something, remember God is always there. Alright?
Oh, that's what you were asking me about. Then in a Negril night you want me to go look for activity? Activity board. Yeah, but in the board now move. Yeah, the activity board now move, man. We're on the beach, guys. I'm loving this pool. And it's lovely lady.
Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
Oh, infinitely cool, guys. We're going to get that's what I was telling you. Yeah, this is my lady says she want watch sunrise in her apartment. Oh, in the hotel.
All I need is you saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby,
Yeah.
don't hide away from me when I need you most.
I ate
We
it
got
once
love
and it really
guaranteed, and I have
messed
to
me
know,
up.
say,
Hey, let's go on the deck.
don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where
Yeah, that now we're talking. But the sun not gonna set over the side here. No, the sun not setting at the north. Really? This is in the west. Yeah, this is the north. North Coast. Remember? Some corals this. Come on, baby, let catwalk first. Catwalk. You want to get the tour in so. Walking the ground, guys.
Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need
This is
you
beautiful.
most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
This
Let me
feels
know when
sleepy.
you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other
Hey, there are crab.
second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11,
crab.
and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
So why you couldn't protect me? Hmm? Protect me from the crabs.
Don't hide away from me when
Yeah.
I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
Go on, let's go.
where are you?
This looks deep.
Don't be so
It's
hard
deep.
to reach, just pick up your phone.
No,
Tell me
put
where
me on
you
to the
be,
gimbal,
'cause
yeah.
I gotta know.
You go drop on.
Any night, any day, let me
Gone.
take you away.
Guys,
All I
check it
need
out.
is you saying yeah. Better nights, better days.
Oh, the sun. Where's
when
my
you're
glasses?
here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
I don't think it's in the room. I think it's in the car. Yours is in the room? You wouldn't even know?
Don't hide away from me when
Alright,
I
hold
need
on,
you
hold on.
most. We got
The
love
sun.
guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
I don't think they want to see me tonight. I forgot to do the next one.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up
Yeah.
tell me where you'll be. 'Cause I got
Hello, people. We don't have to do me so, you know. We don't have to do me so. Alright. I know better.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy.
Let's go. My dear.
It's the end of the weekend, but
Go
I
on.
still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. babe.
I don't.
Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder
Mm,
where are you?
no, but I mean, everyday people see me, you know, normally people don't see these places.
Guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
Yeah.
don't be so hard to reach.
Mhm.
Just pick up your phone, tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11.
Get away.
I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
So when you go back when you walk there, man.
Where are you?
Oh, that-
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
Oh, is it?
Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days.
Now, yeah, get into
when
her,
you're
man.
here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
So what do you have to say for your followers?
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
Yeah.
Say,
And we'll be showing them more.
don't be so hard to reach. Just
Good.
pick up your phone. Tell me
And guys, we're also going to be doing a lot more videos like these where we go to different places and show you, right? Yeah.
it's the end of the weekend, but
Yeah,
I still wanna
pretty much.
turn up. Yeah, I still wanna
Yeah,
turn
Chai, so we were tricked.
All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your
No,
phone
so
up.
they could have given
Why
us
you
some
messing my head up?
True.
Any night, any day. Let
Thank
me
you,
take
Royalton,
away.
for
All I
upgrading
need
us.
is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder.
Yeah, that's true. They have rooms on facing the road. No, facing the road. No, I don't think so. That would not be a good design decision. Exactly. I guess it's the ground floor. Would probably have gotten a ground floor suite.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
Good morning. Oh. Well, I do. You don't know that? Well, I told you. Yeah, I can't eat it. I realized that it made me read my stomach. Oh, it's weird. How it feels.
Don't be so hard to reach.
Now stuff like here, start feeling pain.
Like it's swollen or something.
Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location.
Let's go over that side first. Morning.
Talk 24/7, every other
Yeah.
second, just to make sure we were up to date.
Over to
Now
where
it's
you
closer
want
to
it.
11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to
Where is it?
say,
Morning.
where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, 'cause I gotta know.
Can I have, is this
Say,
June plum?
away.
Give me not June plum.
Saying yeah. Better nights, better days. When you're
Peach?
here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I
Oh.
wonder. Where are you?
There are more foods over there? Oh.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say,
Our breakfast. And we chose to go to the healthy side first, you know.
just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be. 'Cause I gotta know.
Good morning.
Good morning. They have pumpkin. One of your favorites.
What's this? This one?
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, scrambled egg. Yeah, scrambled egg. Yeah, scrambled egg, the regular one.